establecido 784, posición 3.
784, recibido, buen día.
Okay, we are clear to Mike Kilo Julius Sierra via upper 542. We are clear to Tabogo Colby.
Yep.
Colby. And
Awesome.
yeah, we had to clear to initial flight level 140. 10 minutes later, we are clear to 24. We had to wait to clear to
350, Juliet, Juliet, ¿qué fue la información de rodaje, señor?
Negativo, deme un minuto, por favor.
Bueno, no hay problema.
All right, so let's put the 14,000 for the initial clearance. Excellent. Toga bars. And are we cleared, do we go runway heading or direct TBG?
TBG is in the back.
Yeah,
So,
but runway is 1, so we're going to be going off the opposite direction.
yeah.
So what we want to try to work out so that we don't have to turn around and go back to TBG is after you're on a runway heading, ask Tower if you can join the flight plan route.
Mikus first.
To Mikus.
Yeah.
Or Colby, I guess.
Yeah, Colby, say Colby.
Yeah.
Terrestre, el November 350, Julio, listo para rodar.
Recibido, ruede vía Alfa al sur, posterior Delta a su izquierda, Golf, eco a la pista 01. Viento calmo, 34002 nudos, QNH 1013-2992, hora 1237, alcanzando punto de espera de la pista 01, mantenga fuera de pista y contacte torre 118.3.
Alfa hacia el sur, Delta a la izquierda en Golf, Eco, punto espera 01, altímetro 2992, en 01 llamaré 118.3.
Break off, taxi light on, and bring your power up, and he'll know.
Clear Alpha, later.
Well, you have to follow him, but
yeah.
Okay. I give him a nice crisp salute. Clear to the right.
Clearing Alpha right now?
Yeah. This taxiway is a lot easier to follow when you can see. There's your Delta. Is that what you wanted?
This is Delta. We had to turn left in J.
Oh, I think we missed Delta. There's Delta there, yeah. So ask him if we can go Echo. We passed Delta. Could we use Echo to get to runway 1?
Superficie, podemos, el November 350 pase Delta. ¿Podemos utilizar Echo para la taxiway Echo al final?
No hay problema, señor. Continuará vía Alfa Eco a la 01, no hay problema.
Alfa Echo 01, gracias.
Bien.
Okay. Yeah. This is Dick Rochfort. Fly safely. Train off it. First flight of the day. Dick Rochfort here. 350 Juliet. Juliet. We'll accomplish the standard run up. Left mag off. Smooth. Right mag off. Consistent drop and smooth. We share alternators, and this is something that we maybe do once a month but we know that the alternators are sharing by the way they behave while they're engaged, both of them engaged. Looking for a nice, even, slight drop on the propeller. And really, this is not a feather check. We're just verifying that the prop cable is working correctly. That's all we need to do. We have somewhat contaminated ramp here and taxiway this morning. It rained aggressively. If you if you've watched other videos from this trip, you know that we arrived in the rain last night, and there's no instrument approach to this airport. There's a visual approach only. As you can see, it'd be important to be able to see when arriving on this runway.
Marcos Gelabel, buenos días, nombre 350, Juliet Juliet.
Nombre 350, Juliet Juliet, muy buenos días.
En punto espera 01, listo para salida, nombre 350, Juliet Juliet.
Seguido, mantenga fuera de pista.
Mantengo fuera, nombre 350, Juliet.
Hello, Torre, muy buenos días. Del Tango Golf, Mike Uniform Golf.
Okay, so we're stopped, yes.
Mike Uniform Wolf, muy buenos
Turn
días.
this off
Mantenga fuera de pista.
to let the world know that we're not moving, at least not without additional clearance. Window is clear. Look here, Dave. Recommend we bring off windshield. Yeah, exactly. I'll be a little quieter. Push these in. Trims set. Alternate air is required. Up closed and locked today. Pressure set. Backup's alive and well. So now, prior to takeoff, and as we slowly taxi toward the threshold, we have pump, lights, and hots. And today it's pitot heat only, entering the runway environment.
Nombre 350, Juliet Juliet, rueda posición y mantenga.
Posición mantener 01, nombre 350, Juliet Juliet, gracias. I put pulse.
Landing, or do you have?
No, just hold on position.
Okay, so pulse lights on. Landing light stays off for now until we get a clearance for takeoff. I will wait on the hots as well, so that doesn't overheat. I heard you say, line up and wait.
Approaching runway 01.
I don't see anybody coming.
Entered runway 01. 1,615 meters remaining.
This is a departure from runway 1 at Papa Mike Golf, Panama. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off it.